Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable icon pull down gesture in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to home screen and lock screen, and here you will have icon pull down gesture. Just click on it and turn on this button, icon pull down gesture. Just to turn on this button so that you can pull down icons, all icons of the app by just swiping up on the bottom right side or bottom left side. Okay, see here. So all icons are showing here itself, and if you release on the particular icon, and that will be opened. Okay, and in similar way I check it in this page. Okay, in the left side I just check. Okay, just I release on settings and it is opened. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable icon pull down gesture in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.